Hey, Harvey, the Silver Fox with another classic car AI video. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Nomad is a highly sought-after, iconic two-door station wagon known for its distinctive blend of sporty styling and utility. It was the final model year for the two-door Nomad design, contributing to its current rarity and collectible status. Here's the overview and design. The Nomad was Chevrolet's top-of-the-line station wagon, part of the prestigious Bel Air series, and was one of the most expensive Chevrolet models aside from the Corvette. The exterior styling. It featured a sleek, sporty silhouette with frameless door glass, forward slanting B-pillars, a unique ribbed roof, and a two-piece tailgate. The 1957 model is instantly recognizable by its prominent tail fins, a wide chrome grille, and gold anodized trim accents. A neat design feature was the concealed gas cap located behind the driver's side rear tail fin. The interior features. The interior was upscale for a wagon, featuring plush two-tone vinyl and cloth upholstery, full carpeting, and a dashboard similar to other Bel Air models. It offered a spacious cabin with a flat folding rear seat to maximize cargo space. The production rarity. Only 6,103 units of the 1957 Nomad were produced, making it a rare sight even when new. Its low production numbers make it extremely desirable among collectors today. Now I have a special gift for you. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes. Want to have me create a free custom AI-generated classic car image and/or video for you that you can share with others? In a comment below, post the name, year, and model of the classic car or truck you want me to produce the video for. I'll be waiting for your comment. Harvey out. Oh, I almost forgot. I will also give you the AI image generating software so you can create these AI custom classic car images and/or videos for yourself that you can share with your family and friends for free.